What is 57,090,851 in expanded form? Expanded form is when you take a number like this and add up all the different place values that you can. So let's look at the place values from left to right. Okay, we are starting out with 57 million. So the first place value is in the 10 millions place value. So that 5 represents 50 million. So let's write that out. The next digit is in the millions place value. So that 7 is going to be 7 million. So let's add 7 million to 50 million. If there's a 0, you're allowed to skip it. So let's skip that 0. That 9 is in the 10,000s place value. So we're going to add 90,000. Once again, we have a 0, so let's skip it. That 8 is in the hundreds place value. So down here, let's add 800. That 5 is in the tens place value, so let's add 50. And last but not least, that 1 is in the ones place value, so let's add 1. So 57,090,851 in expanded form is 50 million plus 7 million plus 90,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 1.